Today we're going to simplify radicals, no? And we have three problems now. The first one has to simplify the square root of 3x over y cubed. And to solve this one, we need to change the denominator of this radical here. Since this is square root, we need to change the denominator to a perfect square. And this will be done by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 1, no? In the form of y over y, so as to make this denominator here a perfect square and transform this into y to the fourth. So 3x over y cubed times y over y. So this one is 3xy times the square root of y to the fourth. No, we just need to add the exponent of y cubed and y, which is 1. No? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, no? Y to the fourth. So after which we're going to transform all of these radical here into exponential form, no? Exponential, fractional exponents, no? So 3 will be 3 raised to 1 half, that is squared, no? And x is equal to x to the 1 half, y to the 1 half, no? And this one, y to the 4 over 2, since this is square root, no? After which, we're now ready to simplify this one. So this one, the denominator is y squared, 4 over 2 is y squared. And this one, we change this again to its former radical, no? So this one is square root of 3xy over y squared, no? Y squared. So this will be our final answer. That is problem number 1. For problem number 2, we have here, we are asked to simplify, no? Y cubed of 81 y to the fourth, 5 to the fifth, and z to the sixth. Again, no? Since this is cube, all of this one will have exponent of 1/3. So we just copy all of this and transform this 81 into exponential form. So this one, 81, is equivalent to 3 to the fourth, no? And this one is to the fourth, to the fifth, and to the sixth. And all of this is raised into 1/3. And then we distribute this one to each of these factors here. So this one, 3 raised to 4 over 3, x raised to 4 over 3, y raised to 5 over 3, and z raised to 6 over 3. And then again, we simplify each of this term here. So this one is 3 to 4 over 3 is equal to 3 raised to 1 plus, multiply it by 3 raised to 1/3. And this one is 4 over 4/3, We simplify this by x to the first and x to the 1/3. And this one is y to the 5 over 3, y to the 1, and 2 over 3. 2 over 3, no? And this one, x to the 6 over 3 is equal to x squared, z squared, So after which you can each of this one, since this is 3 to the 1 is equal to 3, and x to the 1 is equal to x, no? And y to the 1 is equal to y, and z squared is equal to z squared. And the fractional part of 1/3 is 3 says 1/3. So this one, all of this fractional exponent of 1/3 will be equal to the cube root of 3xy to the 2, no? Or y squared, no? So this will be our final answer. So we go to the last problem. We have to simplify again. Square root of 125 over 63. So we are going to reduce one into its simplest form with fractional exponents. 125 is square root of that. Now all of this is the square root. Both the numerator and the denominator will have an exponential form of 1/2, no fractional exponents. So 125 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5, or 5 cubed, and this 63 is 9 times 7 with exponent of 1/2, since this is square root. So this one is 5 raised to 3 over 2. No? We multiply this one, 3 over 2. So this one is, since this is a square root of 9, which is 3, no? And then 7 is raised to 1/2. So since it's having 5 over 5 raised to 1 and 5 raised to 1/2. No? So this one is a whole number. 5 raised to square root of 5 over 3. This is a whole number. And square root of 7. 7 raised to 1/2 is square root of 7. So this one, we just combine the numerator and denominator. So this one becomes square root of 5 over 7. We multiply both numerator and denominator so as to make this denominator here a perfect square. No? To do that, you multiply the denominator by itself, which is 7. No? So this one, 5 times 7, is equal to 35, and then 7 times 7 is 7 squared. The square root of 7 squared is 7 times 3 is 91. So this one is 5. Just copy this 5 here, and that is a square root of 5 times 7, which is a square root of 35. So the final answer will be 5 square root of 35 over 21. So that's simple, no? So these problems here are for grade 9 students. So thank you again for watching our videos for today. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please feel free to give your comments and suggestions, so that we can improve our way of presentation. So thank you again, and please subscribe, and see you again later.